Alright everyone, so for the month of March we have a very special giveaway. We are celebrating the milestone of reaching our 100,000 subscriber, and so for this month the giveaway will be a complete set of Tusk Impact wheels. Now before I dive into just what you need to do to win these bad boys, well, we want to stop and say thank you to everyone out there who's been supporting us, watching our videos, commenting. We honestly couldn't do it without you guys, and we've come a long ways over the years. We literally started out with one man with a mini DV camera and some tapes, who with a little bit of mechanic knowledge made our very first how-to video.
Hi, I'm Justin from RMATVMC.com, and today I'm going to show you how to hook up the Tusk compact control switch to your headlight.
Now from there, well, we had our first product studio built, which is honestly just big enough to have a couple products in there, brought on a couple editors, and that was the start of our product spotlight and how-to video team. Now as you can see, a few years later, well, we have built an entire production team. We now have several product spotlight studios along with a mechanic studio, and the whole reason is we want to give you the best video experience possible. Now we've documented and shared with you guys our adventure rides. We've done countless product spotlight videos, bike builds, bike reviews, the list goes on and on and on. But do not worry, because we're not going to stop there. We're going to continue charging forward. We're going to continue to get better and improve our videos, well, because we want to give you guys the best shopping and buying experience possible. Now, as you can see, we've got the Tusk Impact wheels, but before we talk about how you win these, I need to get into my zone. So to win a set of Tusk Impact wheels from us here at Rocky Mountain, it is very simple. All you need to do is be subscribed to us on YouTube and then comment below. Let us know what bike you're cruising around on, and also we want you to comment and tell us what you like most about our videos here at Rocky Mountain. Now once you've done that, you will be automatically signed up and entered to win. Now this contest is going to run for a week, after which we will select our one lucky winner. If you want to see a list and a breakdown of all the rules, very simple, just click on the link, but also keep in mind that you do need to be 18 years or older. Now one more time from all of us here at Rocky Mountain, we want to give a huge thank you to everyone out there that supports us, because we could not get here without you. From all of us here at Rocky Mountain, we wish you luck, and we'll see you on the trails. Makes these goggles very... bars bang extremely hard right above their kneecap. I'm going to start that over. You are going to get waterproof-ability. Is that a word? You spot a prop lights just like this one. Spotted, gosh.
And remove the compression bolt. It's gonna get all over your shoes, and that sucks. So take the time and do this now, but you're still probably gonna get a bunch of fork oil all over your shoes.
This is our thing that we don't do.
The bottom side of that spacer. Oof, that was cute. All right. And then you'll need a thin 24mm hand wrench. And then we can begin to... Oh
my gosh, I'm like... I don't want to say that. Why do I say that crap?
I'm going to tell you right now that if an atomic bomb went off, if you had this boot on, you're still going to die. Simplify. Yeah, I've been ready for like 3 days.
I'm standing there.
There we go. Oh, geez. Need to go to commercial. You're not thinking clearly.
I can't feel my throat. Ultra heavy duty tube spotlight. Yeah. You like that, dude? That was smooth.